Amidst the hustle and bustle of a demanding life, it's essential to embrace moments to unwind. The Hair coffee machine anticipates your every need, consistently delivering excellence and seamlessly aligning with your desires. Indulge in the experience you truly deserve. From the finest beans to the meticulous preparations, from steaming hot to refreshingly cold iced coffee, experience the freedom to instantly select the perfect flavor that suits your desires. With just a simple touch. Craft your own drink moment, from hot to cold brew. Take a moment to embrace your pause. Immerse yourself in sensory delight. Hair, enjoy your coffee ritual.